And
we are getting some live visuals of
Punjab Chief Minister right now at the Golden Temple in Amritsar. We had seen how, in fact, earlier there were a lot of news coming in with respect to Amritsar.
But now we see Chani, in fact, at the Golden Temple in Amritsar, making his way inside of the Golden Temple. We're bringing you those first shots from inside of the Golden Temple, and let me go across to my colleague Amandeep, in fact, who's joining us on the broadcast. Amandeep, take it away. What do you see with respect to the Chief Minister's visit to the Golden Temple? We're getting the first shots from there.
Well, Priyanka, Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, Deputy Chief Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, Commissioner of Police Amritsar, along with the police officials with whom Home Minister held a meeting a short while from now. They all are inside Golden Temple paying obeisance, and after that they'll brief the press. Just because they will hold a meeting with SGPC President regarding this entire Golden Temple attempt to sacrilege incident and even discuss the entire scenario, just because this incident is directly hitting the Sikh sentiments and in fact provoking for the violence. So that is why Chief Minister himself stepped into the Golden Temple and asking SGPC President to release such kind of statement which can calm down the Sikh sentiment. So that is the reason they were holding this meeting. And in fact, on the other side of the investigation is that SGPC is the one who is actually holding all the details of the person who has been killed after attempting to sacrilege at Golden Temple. He was lastly in the custody of SGPC, and after that his body was handed over to local police. So now the entire details has been with SGPC themselves, and even they will share the entire details with Chief Minister to carry forward the investigation. Just because Deputy Chief Minister has already constituted SIT, asked and directed SIT to file the report in 48 hours. Time-bound investigation is already there. Further investigation is already placed, and in fact, CCTV footage of railway station, bus stand, everything is being scrutinized by the local police. And this case is also getting connected with the Kapurthala case. So everything is emerging on one stage. That is the reason Chief Minister himself came here to calm down the sentiments of the Sikh, that yes, Punjab government is probing this matter on a very serious note, and in fact within days they will definitely take it to some kind of conclusion and even try to identify the person who is behind this conspiracy. Now the police is step one of the police investigation is they are trying to identify that person who was killed inside the Golden Temple. Just because he was having no identity card, neither any kind of phone, it was just him who entered in Golden Temple yesterday by 11 a.m. and by 5:45 p.m. the incident reported. So in the middle hours, what he was doing, with whom he was in touch, that all is the matter of investigation. So what the police is doing. But for the now, they are trying to settle down the sentiments of the Sikh. They are trying to settle down the sentiments of SGPC as well, and they are trying to settle down the sentiments of Jathedar Akal Takht also. Just because they all have released a statement that from past 5 years, almost more than 200 cases of sacrilege reported in entire Punjab, and nothing has been reached to any kind of conclusion. That is directly hitting the Sikh sentiment. So now they are trying to calm them down so that the law and order situation will remain maintained, and in fact no such situation can turn up in Punjab, and even before the polls, that is a very dangerous situation. So that is the entire point of being Chief Minister here at Golden Temple, having a meeting with SGPC President. And from very short while now, he will be going to address the media as well, that what is the government doing now, what steps are being taken by the government, and in fact how the probe is being initiated, and who all are involved into this probe and who is monitoring this probe. That entire information will be revealed by Chief Minister. But for now, after visiting Golden Temple, he first pay obeisance, then will meet SGPC President, and then he will brief the media. Deputy Chief Minister Sukhjinder Singh Randhawa, who is holding the Home Department, he is also with Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi and providing all kind of details about the investigation and the police deployment, just because he has already directed the police that is heavy police security should be beefed up nearby the international border villages, and in fact also asked the Gurdwara authorities in the villages nearby the international border to kindly make their CCTVs operational anytime any person can enter into their Gurdwaras with some other mindset. So that is the reason. Everything is put in place, and government is trying to control this situation by their own level. And even their first point is they are trying to settle down the emotions of SGPC as well as Akal Takht. Yes, Priyanka.
Well, yes, Amandeep there breaking down all the details of this very important story of the sacrilege issues, in fact, that are coming in from Punjab. And now we see the Punjab Chief Minister, Charanjit Singh Channi, inside of the Golden Temple, where he will, in fact, have a meeting with the Shiromani Gurudwara Prabandhan Committee President as well as other officials. For the moment, Amandeep, thank you.